Imagine a world where your money works for you, generating a steady stream of passive income without lifting a finger. That's the power of dividend investing. Unlike traditional investing, where you rely solely on stock price appreciation, dividend investing allows you to build wealth through regular cash payouts from the companies you own. This essay will serve as your comprehensive guide to the world of dividend investing, empowering you to make informed decisions and embark on your journey to financial freedom. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to start building a brighter financial future. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some investing experience, this guide will equip you with the tools and strategies to succeed in the exciting world of dividend investing. Get ready to unlock a world of passive income and watch your wealth grow effortlessly. Let's dive in and explore the incredible potential of dividend investing. Dividends are essentially a portion of a company's profits that are distributed to its shareholders. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you become a part owner of that company and are entitled to a share of its earnings. These payouts are typically made in cash on a quarterly basis, although some companies pay dividends monthly or annually. The amount you receive depends on the company's dividend payout ratio and the number of shares you own. Dividends offer a compelling advantage over traditional growth stocks, as they provide a steady stream of passive income that can supplement your regular earnings, fund your retirement, or help you achieve your financial goals faster. By investing in a diversified portfolio of high-quality dividend-paying companies, you can create a reliable source of passive income that grows over time, providing you with financial security and peace of mind. One of the most appealing aspects of dividend investing is its simplicity. Unlike day trading or other complex investment strategies, dividend investing is a long-term approach that focuses on identifying financially sound companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Once you've invested in a diversified portfolio of these companies, you can sit back, relax, and watch your passive income stream grow. You don't need to constantly monitor the market or make frequent trades, making it an ideal investment strategy for busy professionals or those new to the world of investing. Moreover, dividend investing offers a level of security that is often lacking in other investment vehicles. Companies that consistently pay dividends are typically well-established businesses with strong financial fundamentals, making them less volatile and more resilient during market downturns. By focusing on dividend-paying companies, you're essentially investing in a select group of businesses that have demonstrated their ability to weather economic storms and continue rewarding their shareholders. Imagine waking up every quarter to a dividend payment deposited directly into your brokerage account. This consistent stream of passive income can significantly reduce financial stress and provide you with peace of mind, knowing that you have a reliable source of income regardless of market fluctuations. Dividend investing allows you to participate in the stock market's growth potential while enjoying the stability of regular income. This balance between growth and income can be particularly beneficial during periods of market volatility, as dividend payments can help cushion the impact of stock price declines. Furthermore, knowing that you have a growing stream of passive income can reduce your reliance on a 9-to-5 job and provide you with the freedom and flexibility to pursue your passions. Whether you dream of early retirement, traveling the world, or simply having more time for hobbies, dividend investing can help you achieve your goals and live life on your own terms. The magic of compounding reinvesting your dividends. One of the most powerful aspects of dividend investing is the ability to reinvest your dividends, allowing you to harness the magic of compounding. Compounding is the process of earning interest on your initial investment as well as on any accumulated interest or dividends. When you reinvest your dividends, you're essentially buying more shares of the company, which in turn generates even more dividends. Over time, this snowball effect can lead to exponential growth in your investment portfolio. The earlier you start reinvesting your dividends, the more time your money has to compound and grow. Even small amounts invested consistently over a long period can lead to significant wealth accumulation thanks to the power of compounding. Reinvesting your dividends is a simple yet highly effective strategy to supercharge your returns and accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Strategies for maximizing your dividend income. While dividend investing is generally considered a low-risk, long-term strategy, there are several strategies you can implement to maximize your returns and build wealth faster. First, focus on dividend growth. Look for companies that consistently increase their dividend payouts year after year. These dividend aristocrats have a proven track record of rewarding shareholders and are likely to continue doing so in the future. Second, diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of dividend-paying companies across different sectors and industries to reduce risk and enhance returns. And third, consider dividend reinvestment plans, or DRIPs. Many companies offer DRIPs, which allow you to automatically reinvest your dividends into more shares of the company, often at a discounted price. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your dividend income and accelerate your path to financial independence. Tools and resources for effortless dividend investing. Fortunately, there are numerous tools and platforms available to simplify the process of dividend investing and make it accessible to everyone. First, dividend screener websites. These websites allow you to filter stocks based on specific criteria, such as dividend yield, payout ratio, and market capitalization, making it easy to find companies that meet your investment goals. Second, robo-advisors. Robo-advisors use algorithms to create and manage diversified investment portfolios tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Many robo-advisors offer dividend-focused investment options. Third, financial news websites and blogs. Stay informed about dividend-related news, analysis, and expert insights by following reputable financial websites and blogs. These tools and resources can save you time and effort, empowering you to make informed investment decisions and build a successful dividend portfolio. Expert insights. Why seasoned investors love dividends. Seasoned investors and financial experts consistently emphasize the benefits of dividend investing. Warren Buffett once said, "The single best approach to investing is to focus on buying shares of great companies and holding them for the long term." Dividends are a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. John Bogle added, "Dividend growth investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over the long term. By focusing on companies that consistently increase their dividends, you're essentially investing in a growing stream of income." And Peter Lynch noted, "Dividends don't lie. Companies that pay consistent and growing dividends are typically financially sound and well managed." These expert insights highlight the importance of dividend investing as a proven strategy for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Dispelling common myths about dividend investing. Despite its numerous advantages, dividend investing is often surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Let's debunk some of the most common ones. Myth number 1. Dividend investing is only for retirees. The reality is, dividend investing is a suitable strategy for investors of all ages and risk tolerances. Myth number 2. Dividend-paying companies are boring and slow-growing. The reality is, many dividend-paying companies are industry leaders with strong growth prospects. Myth number 3. High dividend yields are always a good thing. The reality is, unsustainably high dividend yields can be a red flag, indicating potential financial distress. By separating fact from fiction, you can make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls associated with dividend investing. Taking the first step. Start your dividend journey today. The best time to start investing in dividends was yesterday. The second best time is today. Don't let procrastination or fear hold you back from building a brighter financial future. Start by setting clear financial goals and determining your risk tolerance. Then, begin researching and selecting high-quality dividend-paying companies that align with your investment criteria. Remember, you don't need a large sum of money to get started. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compounding. Take the first step today and embark on your exciting journey to financial freedom through dividend investing. Conclusion: embrace the power of dividends for a brighter future. Dividend investing offers a proven path to financial freedom, providing you with a steady stream of passive income, reducing financial stress, and accelerating your wealth-building journey. By embracing the power of dividends, you can take control of your financial future and achieve your goals faster. Remember to focus on dividend growth, diversify your portfolio, and reinvest your dividends to maximize your returns. Leverage the available tools and resources to simplify the process and stay informed about market trends. Start your dividend investing journey today and unlock the potential for a brighter and more secure financial future. The world of passive income awaits. World of passive income.